All right, folks, happy Friday. We're coming at you a little later than normal, and I apologize for that, but let's get a real quick market update. So we're in the last trading day of the month of October. Big day to wrap things up. Markets trading slightly lower. We're about an hour into the trade. Two stocks predominantly weighing on the markets. One is Apple, one is Amazon. Both missed earnings last night. Apple missed earnings for the first time since 2017, weighing on the markets, although we're only down small. Some of the other big movers this morning, jump over into FX. We're seeing a bit of that dollar strength. We had a big move in that euro dollar, euro pressing higher on the back of the European Central Bank meeting yesterday. We've since come off of that. Why? Because we have a big Fed meeting next week. Expectation is we're going to start to taper. So with that tapering, you would expect to see that dollar drive higher. We're seeing that today. And in oil, the big mover over the past couple of weeks, down over 1% this morning. We're trading just over $81 a barrel, just shy of $82 a barrel. So about 81.75 and change in WTI. So a lot going on. Last day of the month, again, going to be a lot of activity with people trying to manage positions, portfolios, trying to balance things out heading into the new month. So expect a little bit of that craziness. And it's crazy because we're right before Halloween. So big weekend ahead. Everybody stay safe. Have some fun though. And we'll see you on Monday morning.